Venngage is an online tool that lets you create infographics for free. To make an account, click on Sign up for free. Here you need to enter your details and then click on Register. Once you have signed in, you'll be taken to My Infographics. Click on Create Infographic. Here you can make infographics, reports or posters. Scroll down to see the templates available. If you want to make a blank canvas, just click here. You can change the background by scrolling down and clicking on background and selecting the colour. You can add text with options such as title, subtitle, text, list and HTML. You also have templates here. Just click and drag onto your infographic. Double click to edit the text and drag it to where you want it. You can change the font by clicking here and choosing which one you want. You can also change the size, make it bold or underlined, change the colour. You can also change the alignment, the line height and add a link. If you want to add text, just click and drag here. Double click and enter your text. Again, you can change the font here, the size, whether you want it to be bold, italic, underlined. You can also change the colour, the alignment, the line height and add a link. You can also add icons by clicking here and then finding which topic you want. When you find one that you want to enter, just click on it and drag it. You can rotate it, move it to where you want it, and also increase or decrease the size. You can also add pictograms. Select a topic you want, click and drag it and move it to where you want it. If you don't want it, just click on the delete button. You can also add maps. You can also add charts. Select the chart that you want to enter, click and drag it onto your infographic, place it where you want it. You can also increase or decrease the size. You can enter images by searching, or you can upload yourself by clicking Upload Image, clicking on Browse and then selecting the image that you want. Click on Upload and this should take a few seconds to load up. Click it and drag it into your infographic. Change the size to how you want it. Again, you can rotate it by clicking here. You can also add image frames by clicking here, dragging it onto your infographic. And then dragging the image into it. If you don't want this, you can just delete it. You can also add interactive aspects such as YouTube. So if you want to add a YouTube video, drag this here. Find a YouTube video that you want. Copy the link and paste it here. Then select send. You can then drag it to where you want it to go, and you can also change the size. Drag it to where you want. You can also add a poll by clicking and dragging here, placing it where you want it, changing the size. To change the question, just double click on settings, question options, and then question text. You can also change the font color, the font size, the font type, and whether you want it bold or underlined. You can also change the settings for the answer options. To change the options, click on Data and enter the options here. Once you are happy with this, click on Save. You can also add a field form by clicking and dragging here. This is if you want your learners to sign up. If you don't want this, just click on it and delete. You can also add a basic table by clicking and dragging. And dragging it to where you want it. Double click and click on Settings. Here you can change the colour. click on data, and here you can edit the data. Once you are happy with this, click on save. You can then preview by clicking on publish and preview. Once you are happy with this, click on the X and then click on publish. You then need to enter your report title, click on publish, and then you can copy and paste the URL onto your page or share with your learners, or you can copy and paste the embed code onto your page. You can also share through social media by clicking on share, and you have the option to share privately. You can also download.